Hello and welcome. I'm Annette Reeder from thebiblicalnutritionist.com. Have you ever wanted just a special gift to give to someone who truly loves God's Word, someone who wants to teach others about God's Word, but sometimes you just need some tangible things to use when you teach other people? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you today. In fact, this would be the perfect Mother's Day gift, especially if you have a mother like I did who just loved God's Word, was always studying God's Word, and tried to teach God's Word. She was always teaching Bible school and going on different camps and things like that. She loved to be in the Word. Well, today it's all about the new Artza box, and it is from Carmel. If you remember Carmel, it's in the Bible 3 times that I'm aware of. One is the most popular, and that's about Elijah. Elijah confronted the false prophets. He confronted the Baal worshipers, and God answered. God answered his request, and over 850 false prophets were killed. Can you imagine today if we could just wipe out 850 false prophets? That would so clear up a lot of the internet time that's out there and all the Google shows and YouTube and all of that. So yes, we have false prophets in our day. And what a way to teach our children that lesson is to teach them about Mount Carmel. Well, Carmel means vineyard, and it's not just a mountain, it's actually a mountain range, and it's extremely Mediterranean. So it's lush, it's beautiful. Song of Solomon speaks about it as comparing the mountains with the beauty of his wife. Not sure which one, but anyway, you get the point. You can read about Elijah in 1 Kings 18. You can read about Song of Solomon in his own book. Yet in Isaiah 35, it compares God's restoration of redemption to the splendor of Mount Carmel. So that tells you it's some pretty beautiful scenery there. Well, today it's not just about scenery, it's about gifts. And I want to just share with you all of the different gifts you would get in the Artza box. Be sure and use my coupon code to get 25% off. I'll put that coupon code down below. Remember, who do you love enough to send them gifts from Israel? Now here's a quick video of everything that's in this box. Well, I hope you enjoyed those gifts that are included. And yes, the coconut balls, they're very good. I can attest to that. And I love having things that I can hang on my wall and even some jewelry that I can wear with pieces of Israel in it. Well, who do you know that deserves a gift from Israel? And yes, it can be yourself. So enjoy this, but make sure you're subscribed to my channel because my latest book has just come out. 7 Foods of the Promised Land is here. And I can't wait for you to get your own copy and read it. Thanks for watching and being a part of the Biblical Nutritionist family. Please make sure you're subscribed down below. It is finally here, my latest book, and this is such a treasure. I am so excited about this book, 7 Foods of the Promised Land. Why these 7 foods? Does it really matter? Why didn't he choose broccoli? You know how I teach about that. But no, these 7 foods are so specific. God had a purpose for each one of these foods to be a lesson for us to learn from. The way he shares his love through these 7 foods is incredible. Not only how nutritious they are for us, but how delicious they are for us and how spiritually encouraging they are for us. I can't wait for you to get your hands on my new book, 7 Foods of the Promised Land. Be sure and check out any of your retailers. It's available everywhere, even on my website. And while you check it out and read this book and enjoy it, be sure and leave a review on Amazon or our website. I'm going to be doing some fun giveaways for people who leave a review. Thanks for watching, and I really want you to check out 7 Foods of the Promised Land.